Hello and welcome to this video for NeverAlone Event Control. This video is just simply there to show you how to add custom categories to the category system on the event control screen. Okay, I've already gone in and logged into the administration system, and I've gone into the Manage Call Categories button. This is the screen that you're presented with. As you can see, the list at the top here shows us all of the top level categories. So let's choose Event Ops. Okay, from within the Event Ops you can now see we've got radio check, gates, crowd density and so on. These are all of the items that show up in the Event Ops submenu on the system. I'm just going to scroll down here to crowd density. As you can see, the subcategory heading is at the top of this box here, followed by a space that you can put the prompt script. This is the script that pops up on screen if there is a specific protocol that needs to be followed by your control room staff. Next thing, as you know, on some of the screens there's a pop-up. This pop-up is set by selecting the script. So for example, this one uses the density capture. There's the gate count, there's the lost child scripts with and without SMS, the weather capture screen and a reunite screen as well. All new scripts that are added to the system will be included on that list as and when they are added on. You can set the priority here as well. This is where the colour coding happens on the system. So you can see urgent will colour code it black, red will be high, priority will be yellow and general will be uncoloured. Needs authorization here is the tick box. This will only allow you to close it off by entering the password and username of a manager. So for example, an event like a show stop, something big where you need to get it pre-authorized by someone in a position of power. Then we see we've got the three checkboxes below. No further action will automatically close this item. For example, a radio check. We don't need to keep a radio check active on the log, so we'll mark it as no further action. As soon as the radio check is complete, it's closed, it can be forgotten about. Show on reports. Certain categories, again, radio checks are a good example. You don't want to show radio checks for all of your reporting. And finally, of the checkboxes, show to clients. This is in that you don't necessarily want to show everything to clients. Some things you'll want to report on internally, but you won't want to report to clients. Things like the time that the gates went green, the time that you opened the gates. You don't necessarily need to show this information to the clients. You don't need to show the information to the client how many of your staff are going on break at any one time, but it might be useful to you to report internally. That's why we have the differentiation between the two report and client report buttons. Okay, to add a new item, it's just simply a case of click this button here with the arrow and the star on it. And as soon as we key in a new subcategory, that will save it on the system automatically. We can scroll through using the record keys down here as well. And that's pretty much as simple as it gets. If you've got any queries regarding this part of the software, by all means drop an email through to support@never-alone.co.uk, where you might be lucky and get myself, or you could get one of the guys in the office to help you deal with your query. You can always give us a call on 0845 6899 364, where one of us will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.